Good Wednesday morning, everybody. Halfway through the working week already. Awesome. Get some coffee. It's looking really nice outside, actually, albeit cold. So spring is here. Moving on. Petrol lights on.
Yep.
It may look like spring, but it certainly don't feel like it, does it?
No, it's a bit chilly this morning.
I never remembered you guys today.
Yesterday.
No, today.
Yeah, you did. They're right there.
Yeah, I said I remembered you guys today.
Ah, I never remembered you guys today.
You confused me then.
Confuse me?
Because generally you're always right and I'm wrong, so therefore I went to my default mode of what have I done now? Moving on, let's get to work. Oh, bright sunshine. Clock's come back this weekend, so therefore we have to get up earlier.
I know, our weekend's got to be a whole hour shorter.
I know, I've been robbed. Never mind. We can always go in late and say, oops. I don't think we'd get away with it, would we?
No.
We could give it a good try though. Oh, car come in. Out we go. Yes, it's definitely a little bit fresh this morning. 0 degrees. But it's okay. We're only one day into spring. It's got, is it 3 months to pick up? Moving on. Hi guys, that's me. Oh, gosh up. Adverts. Hi guys, that's me at my work. Hump day. Get through today, and it's definitely downhill to the summer, to the weekend. I can't wait. With blue skies, though, isn't it? But this is a sign of a good summer. Usually isn't. We usually get a good Easter and it snows again.
God, you can tell we're British. We're discussing the weather.
Yes. yeah. Jolly hockey sticks. So it gets on. Anyway, getting on, yeah. I'll try not to say jolly hockey sticks ever again in my life.
Tally-ho and all that rot.
Yes. Yes, back in time for tea. Oops. Just saw somebody walk past me, backing me in the mirror. Somebody going to the shelter. Speak to you later. Hi guys, that's the working day over with. Past halfway now, the week. But I'm glad because I'm tired. I'm going to have an early night tonight, I think I've decided. We've got some people coming around from the film club. So we're going around skanking a couple of locations, and once they're gone, we'll have our tea and I shall probably head off to bed then. Was it probably about 9 o'clock anyway? So see if we can get some sleep. Or I might just stay up till 11 o'clock and then go to bed. Cut out the middleman, because that's when I wake up. Oh. We'll see. Anyway, on way home. Oh, what a long day. Is it a long day for you?
Yeah.
Anyway, moving on. Good Friday Eve, everybody. Excuse me while the big truck goes past. Yeah. Last day before the weekend day. Let's get going. Okay guys, we didn't do much vlogging last night. The reason for that is we had quite a few people around last night, and by the time we'd finished doing what we was doing, which was basically discussing a film shoot, and we're using our front room as the set, so it's obviously taking light meters and stuff like that, and we talked that long it went dark and we couldn't look outside. But after that we had our tea and went to bed, didn't we? And I've still woke up tired. It's unreal. I'm honestly beginning to think that it's the end of the sad season, you know, just as it's coming like that season. I don't know what the A stands for. What does it stand for?
Seasonal affective disorder.
Yeah, that one. I'm sad. Oh, nobody behind me. I'm not sad. But yeah. But anyway, get through today. I've got a bit of a real bad headache this morning. I'm really stuffed up nose, so hopefully I'm not coming down with the cold and I can make Michelle's life a misery by being ill. As you know, it's like man flu. Nothing worse ever. You know, there's nothing known to woman that is worse than man flu. Is that correct? Especially when I've got it, you know. Anyway, Chelle is pre-warned by the vlog. Moving on. Thursday over with, Friday Eve working day done. I'm so tired. Ouch. Okay, let's get off home and do things like eat chicken. Chicken for tea? Chicken for tea. Moving on.
Okay guys, I'm obviously taking the lead on this one. I saw this advertised on Instagram and thought, oh, that sounds like it might be quite good. So I thought I'd give it a go. So today I received my first ever parcel from Flying Vinyl, which is a subscription box service where they send you 5 7-inch records a month from indie
Artists.
No, it's not artists, it's indie like pressers, I guess. So we're gonna open it. So it says Flying Vinyl, the revolution will not be digital. And on the back it says Flying Vinyl again, and it says music is everybody's possession, which is a quote by John Lennon. So we're going to give it an open and see what it is inside. I've no idea what kind of music is actually going to be in here. So oh yeah, that's cool. It comes in its own little like box set up. Okay, so inside again you've got the revolution will not be digital, and then it says March to May 2018 on the side of the box. I'm not quite sure what the deal with that is, so I don't want to ruin it, so we're just not going to do anything with that for now. And in the box is, she says, juggling all the stuff, is a little booklet that tells you about the bands that the records are called. And it says, thank you for supporting the revolution and investing in music. Together we are changing the world. So, the first record I've got is Our Girl. And on side 1 is Our Girl. And on the other side is Sleeper. Our girl can't be seen the way that we see. So that's that one. And we've got Sharky. And on side A you've got Hawaii, and on side B you have Cause and Effect. Then we've got Boniface, Boniface. Phantom Limbs and For Love. Duke Lucid, Movie Maker and Parallel Vision. And Brandon Can't Dance, Pop Queen of the Teen Scene and Dead Growing. And these are all indie, it's not publishers, it's producers, indie producers, music producers. So you've got Lucky Numbers, Cannibal Hymns, ETLW Records, Transgressive, and RYP Recording. So we'll have to give them a listen and see what new kind of music it is. I really should have read this before. So Our Girl is hard-hitting guitars and shoegaze vocals. Sharky is sonically smooth vocals set against violins, funk bass lines, and synthesizers. Boniface is beautiful piano melodies and gentle vocals. Duke Lucid, disco-fueled guitar riffs with a soundscape of dreamy synth. And Brandon Can't Dance, with 80s nuance, it's easy to see why he's often compared to Morrissey. So there you go. So, but they've also given you, if you like these people, you'll like this. So, Our Girl for fans of Wolf Alice and the Japanese House. Sharky for fans of Aluna George and Neo. Boniface for fans of Beck or Laney. Duke Lucid for fans of Daft Punk, Phoenix and Chic. And Brandon Can't Dance if you're fans of Everything and Morrissey. So we'll have to give them a go and see what we think.
Kiddo, putting them on at the weekend.
Or now.
Okay.
Or at the weekend. Whenever you like. So yeah, so that was £20. It's £20 a month for the subscription, and like I say, you get five 7-inch vinyls. They're double-sided singles, obviously. So yeah, so we'll give them a listen, see what we think. I thought I'd get one box and give it a try. And if they're good, then maybe keep it going, and if it's not really my kind of thing, then maybe not. So we shall see. Review to follow.